Canada's Director of Corporate Affairs says the vaccine maker will submit it for approval.
All right, so we're gonna just see if Bobby is gonna vote for Jagmeet, Aaron, or Justin, or if he has a bath. Let's see what Bobby does here.
At the University of Toronto and also at the Dan Elena School of Public Health.
Bobby, who are you gonna vote for? Are you gonna? Oh, he's going for his bath. Justin's getting wet.
Big news. It sure is big news. There's still details that need to be released from this. What's your reaction to the announcement?
Bobby, but first you gotta pick something. Come on. First you gotta pick one of these. Which one are you gonna pick? Okay, here you go. Oh my God, he voted for Aaron.
News for especially for the parrots in this country. It didn't